A few years ago, I faced a frustrating situation where bills kept piling up, and I lacked the money to pay them. If you've been in this situation, you know how stressful and challenging it can be. The good news is that over time, I managed to improve my financial situation, and you can too. In this video, I'll share 8 strategies to help you get out of poverty. 1. Track your expenses. You've likely heard this advice already, and here it is again simply because it works and you might not be doing it. Make tracking every expense a priority to identify and cut inefficient spending. This habit not only saves money but also encourages better financial practices like saving and investing. As Peter Drucker said, if you can't measure it, you can't manage it. The primary objective of tracking expenses is to pinpoint and eliminate inefficient spending habits. You might uncover unused subscriptions draining your funds. Many find trimming such non-essential expenses a wise strategy for saving money. By understanding where your money goes, you not only save but also educate yourself on financial matters. Incorporate this strategy into your life for a more financially secure future. 2. Save for big purchases. While that enticing ad showcasing a stunning 90-inch 8K TV for $4,000 might make you dream of epic viewing experiences, resist the urge to impulsively reach for your phone and credit card. Experts advise against immediate purchases, suggesting that if you genuinely desire such a big-ticket item, it's wiser to allocate funds from a dedicated savings account rather than opting for a credit card loan. While taking a loan may be reasonable for appreciating assets, it's not ideal for depreciating items like TVs. Paying in cash ensures financial stability and prevents depleting savings or investments. So, consider saving before splurging on that dream TV for a more prudent approach to fulfilling your desires. 3. Study about finances. The saying, if you want to hide something, put it in writing, holds true. Unfortunately, many ignore valuable information in books that could lead to success. Learning is continuous, and the more you do it, the sharper your skills become. Financial education, in particular, grants a superpower, the ability to make wise financial decisions. It equips us with the knowledge and skills essential for effective financial management, covering areas like budgeting, saving, loans, and investments. This empowerment positions us to achieve our financial goals and establish stability, putting us in control of our financial destiny. It's not just knowledge, it's a source of comfort, knowing you have the tools to navigate your financial path successfully. 4. Set a limit for unplanned expenses. Indulging in spontaneous purchases can bring momentary pleasure and emotional satisfaction. To break this cycle, consider the 1% rule. Wait a day before spending more than 1% of your annual income on non-essential items. For example, if you earn $60,000, refrain from purchases above $600. This guideline forces you to confront the necessity versus desire dilemma. The 24-hour waiting period allows you to reassess your decision. After that time, you might not even want the item anymore. Keep this rule in mind on your next shopping trip to regain control over your spending habits. 5. Pay off your debts. Clearing excessive debt, especially on high-interest credit cards, is crucial for financial improvement. Prioritize swift debt repayment by listing all outstanding debts, including credit cards, loans, and vehicle financing. Determine minimum payments and allocate a portion of your discretionary spending budget to expedite the process. Develop a repayment strategy and responsible spending habits to pay off debt and boost your monthly budget. Unlike car or house payments, credit card debt increases over time and is challenging to reduce. Make paying off credit card debt a top financial priority for a more stable future. 6. Eat at home. Embracing homemade meals, as opposed to relying on delivery services, can be a cost-effective choice. While the occasional visit to a fancy restaurant is acceptable, regularly cooking at home or bringing packed meals to work instead of dining out daily can lead to substantial savings. Create a weekly meal plan for better organization and adherence to your budget. Even for those not confident in their cooking abilities, the internet offers a wealth of culinary advice and recipes. Begin by preparing at least one meal at home each week and gradually incorporate packed lunches. You'll be amazed at the potential savings that can accumulate. 7. Make a budget. I recently understood why most people avoid budgeting it, because the paperwork involved can feel overwhelming. But the benefits far outweigh the effort. It's crucial to view budgeting positively and recognize how it can significantly benefit your financial well-being. Establishing a monthly rhythm is key to its success. A one-time creation filed away is ineffective. Consistent updates and reviews are essential. Utilizing apps and digital tools can simplify the process, with numerous free options available online. A quick search will reveal suitable resources to streamline your budgeting routine. 8. Reduce your monthly bill. Simplifying your finances begins with cutting down on monthly expenses. While fixed costs like rent and vehicle payments may be inflexible, you can adapt and moderately rethink variable expenses such as clothing and entertainment. For substantial savings, consider energy-efficient practices, explore different insurance providers, and take advantage of bulk purchase discounts for groceries. When it comes to loans, eligibility doesn't necessarily mean affordability. The bank assesses income and credit but may overlook other commitments affecting timely payments. Before accepting a loan or credit card, assess if the monthly payment aligns with your income and responsibilities. Ensure financial commitments are manageable within your overall financial situation. If you found this video useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to not miss any future uploads. See you in the next video.